My name's Lauren Bowker and I'm a material alchemist. Today I'm going to show you how to create a wearable pH sensor by dyeing a t-shirt with red cabbage. All you need to do this is some material. I have here some Lost Explorer t-shirts which are made out of cotton and hemp, which is really great for the environment, but you can use any material. First we need to cleanse the t-shirt by adding it to a bowl of boiling water and soda ash and leave it there for 2 hours. This is called scouring. Next we need to mordant the t-shirt by adding it to a pot of boiling water and aluminium acetate and leaving it there for 24 hours to 4 days. This will open up the fibres. To create the dye, take a red cabbage and chop it up into small bits. Add the cabbage to a solution of boiling water, take the t-shirt out of its solution and add it to the cabbage bath and leave it there for up to an hour. Red cabbage is one of nature's cleverest vegetables. It has the ability to change its colour dependent on the pH levels of water that surrounds it. What this means is, if you wash your t-shirt in different locations, say London, Venice Beach, Manchester or the rainforest, it'll give you completely different colours. So here's some I made earlier. Here's one I washed in London's water. It's about pH 7. Here's one I washed in acid rain. It's about pH 2. Here's one I washed in the Dead Sea. It's about pH 6. So there you go. Grab a cabbage, grab a t-shirt and live curiously.